This is not a new gospel. It's not a new doctrine. It's not meant to create nor support confusion. It's not meant to create nor support doubt in the Holy Scriptures. It's not meant to destroy faith in the true Word of God. My intent is to inspire desire to study, to search the Scriptures for the life therein, to discover the secrets written therein as they reveal the truth of that which is revealed unto man, God's plan for those who are acceptable unto him. Therefore, he that hath an ear to hear, that is to say, he that hath the will to understand, let him hear, that is to say, let him understand what the Spirit reveals. That is found in Revelation 2, verse 29. And I saw a new heaven and a new earth, for the first heaven and the first earth were passed away, and there were no more sea. That's Revelation 21, verse 1. Mars has no sea. The only other two celestial bodies in orbits near the Earth are our moon and Venus. There are far fewer vital resources on the moon, and when you look at it, one moon day takes an Earth month. Now, it also doesn't have an atmosphere that forms a barrier against radiation. And then on the other hand, when you look at Venus, Venus is a veritable purgatory. The average temperature is over 400 degrees. The barometric pressure is that of about 900 meters underwater on Earth. When you put a cherry on top of that, it comes in the form of an occasional bout of rain, acid rain. Now, its nights last for 120 Earth days. That's Venus. As one who doesn't keep track of various scientific and technological advances and things that companies come up with to support human life in, for lack of a better word, weird or uninhabitable places, you must ask yourself regarding this mission that NASA is on to put humans on Mars. And the question that you need to ask yourself and have answers is, can humans live in the Martian atmosphere? Now, you know that history talks to us about the Tower of Babel. Here we have the same thing going on, but in a different atmosphere, in a different place, a different time. And instead of trying to just reach heaven, what man wants to do is establish a new earth. So after the Earth, Mars is the most habitable planet in our solar system due to several reasons. One, its soil contains water to extract. There's no oceans and no seas or anything, but water can be extracted from its soil. And two, it isn't too cold or too hot on Mars. And there's enough sunlight to use solar panels. Blah. And the gravity on Mars, now here's the problem. The gravity on Mars is about 38% that of our Earth's gravity. That's terrible. And that's believed by many to be sufficient for the human body to adapt to, but not without extreme changes in your physique. Okay? Now, it has an atmosphere, albeit a thin one, that offers protection from cosmic and the sun's radiation, unlike the moon. The day and night rhythm is very similar to our Earth's day and night. A day on Mars is 24 hours, 39 minutes, and 35 seconds long. Food and water poses an extreme difficulty trying to live on Mars. Now, we've experimented with MREs with our military. We understand how to use the distillery in making water. We understand the use of oxygen candles to produce oxygen in an enclosed environment where otherwise you would die. But when you talk about water on Mars, almost all the water on Mars exists as ice, though it also exists in small quantities as a vapor in the atmosphere. Okay, abundant water, or water ice as it's called, is also present beneath the permanent carbon dioxide ice cap at the Martian South Pole and in the shallow subsurface at more temperate conditions. And then let's talk, I figured I'd give you the good news first. Let's talk about the bad news. The bad news is that Mars is a desert planet where no plants have ever grown before. So, food? Tough luck. Your entire diet must change. No more steak and potatoes and shellfish and any of that sort of thing. No more lamb and, all of that good kind of stuff, the various pies, apple pies, and all of that kind of stuff that you enjoy during your holidays. What day? What holiday? I think it's your holler day. And I saw a new heaven and a new earth, for the first heaven and the first earth were passed away, and there were no more sea. That's Revelation 21, verse 1. Mars has no sea.